Students, welcome to the Science 1 class. This video is the continuation of the previous video's concept, methods of separation. In the previous video, we learnt about hydraulic and magnetic separation methods. Now, let's learn about the third method, froth flotation. In the froth flotation method, a container containing water mixed with pine oil is taken. Pine oil is nothing but an essential oil derived from pine tree. Crushed ores are poured into the container and compressed air is passed through a tube attached to a pedal containing holes. On pausing the hot air, the pedal will rotate. As pedal rotates, bubbles will be formed inside the container. As we have added pine oil to the water, bubbles will be formed. Lighter ore particles, example, sulfide ore particles will stick to the bubbles and will float to the top of the container, while the heavier gangue, that is impurities, get soaked in water. As they get soaked in water, their weight increases and settle down at the bottom of the container. So the principle of the froth flotation method is preferential wettability of the ore with oil and the gangue particles by water. That is, gangue particles are drenched by water and ore particles by oil. For example, zinc blende can be separated by this froth flotation method. Next method of separation is chemical method or leaching. As the name suggests, in this method, chemical substances are used to separate the impurities from the ore. In this method, a suitable reagent is taken and crushed ore with impurities are added to it. On stirring the solution, ore will get dissolved in the reagent, but the impurities will remain. Then the solution with the impurities should be filtered using a filter paper. On filtering, impurities will stay in the filter paper and the filtrate containing ore will get collected in the conical flask. Now, let's see how to separate the ore present in the filtrate. To the filtrate, a suitable reagent should be added. On adding, the reagent gets dissolved in the solution and it will precipitate the ore present in the solution. That is, ore precipitate will be formed. Precipitate means ore will be separated in solid form from the solution. This process is called as leaching or chemical method. Using this method, bauxite Al2O3, the ore of aluminium can be separated. Gold also can be separated by leaching method. While leaching, gold cyanide solution, that is sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide, is used as first suitable reagent and zinc metal is used as the second suitable reagent. Okay students, that's all for today's class. In this video, we have learnt about froth flotation method and chemical method. Thank you students. Have a good day.